Good evening, sir. My name is Nigelian B. Bukasas, Section BIT A1. A good citizen takes responsibility for helping homes, schools, and community to be a good place for everyone. The state recognizes the vital role of the youth in national building and shall promote and protect their physical, moral, spiritual, intellectual, and social well-being. It shall inculcate in the youth patriotism and encourage their involvement in public and civic affairs. The Student Elite State University began offering the National Service Training Program, also known as NSTP. In the first semester of the academic year 2002-2003, their initiative was in compliance with Republic Act number 9163, which was signed into law by President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo. Republic Act number 9163, National Building a National Service Training Program Act of 2001. The act I, the act's title established the National Service Training Program for tertiary level students amending for the Fourth Republic Act number 7077. The Presidential Decree number 1706 mandates that education institutions provide NSTP for their students. According to Section 10 of Act, school authorities are responsible for the academic and administrative supervision, design, formulation, adoption, and implementation of the version NSTP component within their respective institution. The NSTP is designed to enhance civic consciousness and defense preparedness among the youth by fostering the ethics of service and patriotism. This is achieved through training in one of its three components, the, the Reverse Officer Training Corps, also known as ROTC, the Civic Welfare Training Service, or CWTS, and Literacy Training Service, LTC. Established RA 9163, which amended which amended RA number 7 7077 and Prudential Decree number 1706. NSDP aims to development of scenes of social responsibility and red- readiness, readiness to defend the country. Additional Section 2 of RA 9163 emphasizes that the program goals is to promote the role of youth a national building by instilling values and providing training for their involvement in public that civic affairs. An STP or artist and civility is component offered and the university shall be undertaken for an academic period of two semester and shall be credited for the three units per semester for 54 hours per semester. Earners DC or CWT unit shall be not included in the computation of grade vote average. So the National Service Training Program, also known as TP Act of 2001, mandates of citizen, both male or females, to fulfill these civic duties. So what is NSTP? Oh, NSTP is a program aimed at enhancing civic consciousness and defense preparedness in the youth by developing the ethics of service that patriotism while undergoing training in any of these three program components. Three program components: Reverse Officer Training Corps or ROTC. designed to provide military training to military level students in order to motivate, train, organize, and mobilize them for national defense preparedness. Literacy Training Service, or LTS, is a program designed to train students to become teacher of literacy and numeracy skills to school children, out out of school youth, and other segment of society needs of their service. Civic Welfare Training Service, or CWTS, refers to program or activities contributory to the general welfare and the betterment of life for the member of the community, or the enhancement of its facilities, especially those developed to improving health, education, environment, entrepreneurship, safety, reaction, and morals of the citizenry. So civic welfare training service, or CWT, is number one. The civic welfare the training service as a component of national service training program. It is it is a course of student which I which covers program and activities of the dimension of development, namely education, environment and health and safety, lively, livelihood, moral development, and citizenry, for the purpose of empower them in becoming potent resources for the community service, community development. I mean, civic welfare training service number two. The civic welfare training service is seq- sequel to CWT's number one. It is designed to immerse students in activity that will arm them with the capacity to contribute in the upliftment of the general welfare and the quality of the life of the community, and the enhancement for its facilities, especially those that devote to improve the health, environment, entrepreneurship, safety, reaction, and moral of the citizens. Sec 5 coverage. Student, male and female, of any bac- baccalaureate degree course or less 2 years, technical, vocational course, and public and private educational institutions shall be required to complete one. This TP component as a requ- requisite for graduation. Seek duration and equivalent course unit. Each of the aforementioned STP program component all shall be undertaken for an academic period of 2 semester. So in STP first, citizenship training, environment protective and beautification, drug education, disaster reduction and management, national securities, leadership and training, and team buildings, youth moral and spiritual enhancement, entrepreneurship and livelihood enhancement, community development, and management service. So this is my video about this topic, sir. So thank you for listening. So I hope understand. So thank you, sir, and good evening.